Good morning po, ma'am. My name is Wizel Anjonio, presenting the Embracing Paperless Lifestyle, Saving the Future. Agenda. Introduction of paperless and global challenges to embracing a paper lifestyle, saving the future, sustainable practices and solutions. Introduction. Environmental sustainability is all about the responsible choices, which could actually save the earth for the next generation. That's why embracing a paperless approach can result in significant reduction to our environmental footprint. We encourage the reader to consider the environmental impact of for embrace the sustainable practices such as going paperless that can contribute to our greener future. Global challenges to embracing a paperless lifestyle, saving the future or saving the earth. While going to paperless offers significant environmental benefit, several global challenges stop its widespread adoption. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards addressing them. We discussed the global challenges to embrace the paperless lifestyle. We acknowledge that while going to paperless, we offer the significant environmental benefit like um digital divided. Sa digital divided po is ano nga po yung paggamit, yung ang major po natin dito is yung divided as a major obstacle to paperless society. And yung unequal access sa unequal access naman po kasi is we implement everyone to hindi naman po kasi lahat is nakakapag-access in a digital, pero unequal pa rin po kasi siya, that not everyone has an equal access to reliable internet and digital devices. Pero sa pag-develop naman po sa countries, especially po yung pag-mention po sa countries and where the digital divided is particularly pronounced. Equal participation, that the digital divided prevents equal participation in a paperless society. We suggest that the inequality stop the progress towards a fully digital world, kasi hindi naman po lahat is makakapag-access din po sa digital tools natin. Pero ina-acknowledge pa rin po namin na bawasan yung paggamit ng paperless lifestyle po na nakasanayan po natin, na ini-encourage po namin yung mga drafting student or mga educating drafting profession and other like engineering and architecture na gumamit ng digital tools, kasi may mga part pa rin po na illegal yung pagputol ng puno at hindi po siya magandang sa future generation natin, kasi habang nagtatanim nga po tayo pero nagpuputol pa rin po. Yun po, at kung saan na lang din po tinatapon yung mga pinaggamitan or mga emphasize that environmental sustainability is about making a responsible to our society and the future generation. And also, this is a choice for saving our planet or future generation po natin. It is adopting a paper lifestyle that it is a significant din po sa greener future. It can be a significant reduction for our environmental sustainability. Community and global initiative promote sustainable practices, implement waste reduction strategies, improve digital literacy and adoption. Sa promote sustainable practices po natin, we encourage to adoption of digital tools like AutoCAD and Retrieve in drafting workflows. We advocate the educational institution and other profession firms to implement the policies of reduce for climate to use of paper and design and drafting process. Ni-encourage po namin dito na mas maganda pong gumamit ng digital tools like AutoCAD over a manual po kasi mas makakasave din po tayo at mapoprotektahan po natin in the future generation. Implement waste reduction strategies. We develop the guidelines and best practices for minimizing paper use in drafting, promote the benefits of the digital storage and collaboration platforms, which reduce the needs of physical print and reworks. Mas po kasi, hindi naman po kasi basta-basta matatanggal or mawawala ng pag sinabing paperless lifestyle is maalis na po. Pwede po yung paunti-unti po para masanay po sila na gumamit ng digital tools, and pag-promote po nito, hindi naman po lahat is talagang mawawala na kasi kailangan pa rin po natin ng papel dahil nga po syempre yun pa rin po yung pinagsusulatan natin, pero in a way po na mas nakakatulong po tayo sa society natin and sa mga calling out din po sa mga illegal na nagkakat po ng mga trees natin is hindi po siya maganda. Our advocacy campaign is raise of awareness of educating drafting student, professionals or other professional like engineering and architecture. General naman po siya about the environmental effect of paper manufacturers. We emphasize of how switching the digital drafting tools can significantly reduce paper consumptions and reforestations po. Raising the awareness about environmental impact on paper production, we emphasize the importance of how manner to use the paper po, yung hindi po basta-basta tinatapon sa daan kasi pwede po yan bumara kung saan-saan sa mga kanal po natin. Kahit naman po na nababasa siya is nagkakaroon pa rin po ng impact din po nun, hindi lang po sa mga kanal po natin dyan, also po yun nga po sa mga illegal na pagpuputol ng puno. Yung effect po kasi nun is negative effect po yun. And yung advantage naman po nun is, yun nga po, mas makakatulong nga po tayo sa society natin kasi mas nare-reduce po yung paggamit ng paper.